What are they looking at, I wonder? What are y'all looking at out there? The tuffet I made you guys. What is it? What do you see? What do you see? Ain't they funny? I know what you see. I know what y'all see. I know what you see. Are you licking your lips? It's like, tasty, tasty birds. Tasty birds. Tasty birds. Look at this. I got all kind of chickadees and stuff on the bird feeder. But check this out. These are some fat pigeons out here. Are they still out there? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Oh, there's a blue jay out there. He just landed out there. He ain't pretty. That's a pretty blue jay. Where all them doves go? Oh, there they are. Them fat doves. Fat, fat, fat things right there. Fat, 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 fat. I don't know why they... Watch it, big boy. That stake might not support that heavy weight. Fall off of there. I don't know why they're out there in that empty garden. Unless they like, maybe they like the compost pile stuff. I got eggshells, bananas and stuff. Maybe that's why they're out there. They're all in that garden, empty garden plot thing right there. Nibbling on something. And they are fat, 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 fat. Got another bird feeder over there somewhere. Where's it at? There it is. I had another one right there. Oh, there goes something. What was that? That's just something to fly away. Oh, they got lots of little birds. I think sometimes they're more active in the winter than they are in the summer out here. Okay. I can see the river. See the river down there? When the trees all die, you see the river. It is cold out there today, you guys.